completely broken, emotional pain like no other, obsessed, frustrated, angry, violent, drinking, using, betrayed, destroyed. That was me during and after 6 breakups. I was at one of the lowest points of my life, multiple times. And I didn't want it to end, but I just wanted it to stop. What I really wanted was to be motivated, inspired, turned on, full of libido, and ready for the next adventure of life. I'm Thomas, and this is Breakup Resilience. People say you've just got to get over her, you've got to let her go, you've got to move on, but no one teaches you how. And that's why I'm here. And this is important, this is really important. This is about not just feeling better, but saving your life. Watch the videos, read the book, join the coaching. Start reclaiming your life. But most of all, stay resilient.